Come on, the letters fly, a magic trail across the sky. Kael and Zephyr, ready, set, it's time for the alphabet. In the word kingdom, bright and bold, a crystal shined in blue and gold. But shadow mist came spinning fast, and all the letters broke at last. A flew high and B rolled low, C jumped where the rivers glow. Kael said, Zephyr, we must go. Let's find the letters row.
Let's begin the adventure.
Look to the left, look to the right. Every letter has a light.
A is for a shiny red
and
apple.
say it clear. English magic starts right here. A to Z, come learn with me. Fly with Zephyr, wild and free. Letters shine and words will grow. Come on, friends, let's
D is for dragon.
A to Z, the quest
That's
begins.
me.
Every word is a magic win. Kael will lead, Zephyr will fly. Learning English in the sky. A is for apple, red and bright. B is for ball bouncing in light. C is for cat with crystal eyes. D is for dragon in the skies. E is for elephant, strong and tall.
H is for
F
hat.
is for fish in a waterfall. 6 bright letters, here we go. Sing them fast and let them glow.
Jump.
A, B, C,
J
D,
is
E,
for
F.
jump.
Say the
Wow,
words and take
great
the
job.
step. Apple, ball, cat, dragon too. Elephant, fish, a great job by you.
G, grapes. H, hat. I, ice cream. J,
Is for
jump.
grapes on a magic vine. H is for hat that looks so fine. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet.
N.
J is for jump with happy feet. K is for kite flying high. L is for
O,
line with a golden
orange.
cry. Zephyr laughs, the letters spin. The word kingdom shines again. G, H, I, J, K, L. Say each word and say it well. Grapes, hat, ice cream, jump, kite and lion. Clap, clap, thump. The letters return, the crystal shines. Words wake up in golden lines. Kael raises the sword with pride. Zephyr spreads his wings so wide. No more mist, no more night. Every letter has its light. From A to
T
Z,
is for
from sky
tiger.
to sea.
T is for
English
tiger.
opens every key. A to Z, we learn today.
U is
Come
for
back soon
umbrella.
and fly our way.
Look at the
Next
floating
adventure,
violin.
don't be
And the
late.
letter V.
Action words
V
are
is for
at the
violin.
gate. Hi there, friends. Let's learn some letters today. Listen closely and repeat after me. Wow. M is for moon in the silver night. N is for nest tucked safe and tight. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for pencil,
Yay, we did
drawing
it!
streets. Q is for queen with the crystal crown. R is for rainbow shining down. Kael smiles and points the way. More English words are here today. A to Z, come learn with me.
Let's
Fly
learn our
with Zephyr,
ABCs.
wild
A,
and free.
B. You are doing
Letters
great.
shine and words
H,
will
I,
grow.
J,
Come on,
K,
friends,
L, M,
let's sing it
N.
now.
Sing along with
A
us.
to Z, the quest begins. Every word is a magic win. Kael will lead, Zephyr will fly, learning English in the sky. S is for star with a golden spark. T is for tiger, bright in the dark. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing
The
again.
quest is complete.
W is for whale in the clouds so blue. X is for X-ray.
Let's
look
test our
right
knowledge.
through. Y is for yo-yo, up and low. Z is for zebra, now
Which
we
one
know.
begins with the letter A?
S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-Z. Say them loud and sing with me. Star, tiger, umbrella, violin.
That's right.
two whale,
That's
X-ray,
right.
yo-yo, zebra, oh woo! The
Which
letters
one begins with the
return,
letter D?
crystal shines. Words
Can you
wake
point
up
to it?
in golden lines. Kael raises the sword with pride. Zephyr spreads his wings so wide. No more mist, no more night. Every letter has its light. From A to Z, from sky to sea. English opens every key.
Yay!
A to Z, come learn
You
with
did it!
me. Fly
We knew
with
you could do
Zephyr,
it.
wild and free.
You are a true
Letters
hero.
shine and words will
next Action Words adventure.
Come back soon and fly our way. Next adventure, don't be